I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync subtitles in VLC Player. First, open your desired video file in VLC Media Player. Next, ensure your subtitle file is loaded. You can drag and drop it or go to Subtitle, then Add Subtitle File. Now, play the video and pay close attention to whether the subtitles appear too early or too late compared to the spoken dialogue. This initial observation is crucial for the next steps. To adjust the timing, navigate to Tools in the menu bar, then select Track Synchronization. In the window that appears, find the Subtitle Track Synchronizer section. Here, you will see options to increase or decrease the subtitle delay. Use positive values to make subtitles appear later and negative values to make them appear earlier, typically in increments of 50 or 100 milliseconds. After making an initial adjustment, play a section of the video again to check the synchronization. It often takes a few small tweaks to get it just right. Listen carefully to the dialogue and watch the subtitles. Once you are satisfied with the timing, VLC will remember these settings for that specific video file. You can always readjust if needed. For quicker adjustments, use the G key to decrease delay and H to increase it by 50 milliseconds. Sometimes, subtitles are out of sync because they were made for a different video frame rate. If simple delay adjustments don't work, you might need a different subtitle file. Also, remember to check the description for the Echo.Smart speaker link, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly synced viewing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.